I recently ordered, I actually recently ordered, I ordered this last year from Amazon's website, a Blink XT2 with 3 cameras. I actually already set it up. So this is just a short review, probably not very useful since most people already have one. Yeah, I bought it off of Woot, and the main reason why I bought it was because it was inexpensive, $50 for 3 cameras. They said it was used, but mine came in sealed pretty much, so it seemed pretty new to me. The thing that I like about it is it comes with some supposedly 1700 seconds of basic iCloud storage. I wasn't sure if this would become deprecated or they wouldn't support it anymore, especially since I waited a year. It's not 2020 anymore. It's actually it's October 2022. So you can still use the what's it called? Basic cloud. I'm not sure if it's 7,200 seconds, but I think it is. I'll have to test it some more. But there is some cloud storage when you use it. And another nice thing was it's supposedly really easy to set up. And I'll continue with my short review. So mine came with 3 cameras. It also came with the XT2 hub, which I have it hooked up somewhere else. But anyways, setting up was pretty easy. I think the hardest part for me was just trying to open the back latch of this. The mount is easy to use. You just screw in 2 screws over here and you attach it to the back. So the worst thing about this is, I mean, it's not worse, it's not super bad, but this mount that pops in here, it's not super tight. Kind of feels like it's gonna fall off. Like, I'm having trouble putting it on right now. Like this. It's tight now, but on my other ones, it's not so tight. And so when I do this, it just pops out really easily. You can see. It goes in fine, but I could just do this and it'll pop out really easily. But installation was easy. You just screw it on. I screwed it onto my fence, and that was pretty easy. I didn't need to use a drill or anything. In terms of setting up the device, software-wise, it was super easy. It was just like what it said over here on the website for Woot. I first installed the Blink Home software app. Once I installed it, it was just a matter of pressing the plus on the... I think the first thing you had to do was create an account, or possibly you had to press the plus sign. I forgot. But you would first add the wireless system, which is the XT2, and you would just scan the QR code and then add the Wi-Fi information, and that was like a minute. It was super easy. I mean, I've added wireless cameras, security cameras, and they've been a pain. This was the easiest, adding the sync module, the XT2 sync module. So after you add the sync module, you'll add I added the 3 cameras by pressing plus again and adding the Blink wireless cameras. And it was easy. You just scan the QR code and that's it. Literally, it took less than 5 seconds to set up everything. I mean, 5 minutes. It took less than 5 minutes to set everything, all the cameras onto the software. I think the longest part was actually just creating a Blink account. And so I started testing it. I recorded some video, and then once I recorded the video, I went to the bottom over here, went to the bottom and clicked on clips, and then I just watched the different clips. So I actually didn't have to set up any cloud storage or anything. Once I signed up and added the system, that's it. I didn't have to choose any subscriptions, and I'll kind of show you. So if you click onto settings, and from here you click on Blink plans, there's no way to even add a Blink plan. But I know it's using the cloud storage because when I added this app, the Blink Home app, to a different phone, I can access those, what do you call it, videos that I saved here under the clip section. So all these videos are available on my other phone. So if it was saved locally, I guess it might be saved locally onto the XT2, but that doesn't matter to me. I don't really care where it saves it, just as long as I can access it. So it's saving it somewhere. I'm assuming it's the basic cloud storage. So I didn't have to set anything up other than creating my account. And I didn't have to give any like billing info or anything. And it even says that I have this online storage, or I think it's online storage, 1% used. So far, I'm liking it, and we'll see. I'll do more tests. So this is just part one. It's nice. It's too bad that I think Amazon changed it, so now it costs you, the newer models of the Blink cost money to save your recordings, but I'd rather just have like basic, something like this that's free, because I don't really need much. I just need to be able to view what happened recently. So that's it.